Check out these awesome build plates for our 3D printer. This is a dual-sided H1H build plate. We have the light beam pattern on this side and the phantom pattern on the other side. We couldn't wait to print something on it, and so we went ahead and sliced a few things. It looks so cool on the time lapses. And look at this, it gives the bottom of your prints a really nice, smooth finish and reflects light the same as the build plate. We've also got a couple new PEO build plates with a different pattern for some of our Creality printers that we are excited to be testing soon. This should work the same as the H1H plate before, except as you can see, we don't have all those crazy colors.
That's pretty.
The H1H is a little more heat resistant than these PEO sheets and can print pretty much all of your basic filaments from PLA and PETG to TPU and ABS. As far as I can tell, the PEO side of these is really only suitable for PLA, so make sure to flip them to the textured PEI side when printing with those other filaments. Have you tried printing on any of these?